Hello guys, this tutorials will help you to understand and how to use async await keyword in latest version of Swift programming. General diagrams flow of network response point of views from server side means data loading states by multiple threadings process accordings and handling case point of views using new keywords async await just for executions of task conditions state points based. So figure 1.0 inside see that some details based on layer diagrams point of views. Just point below version of Swift 6.0 using multi-threading process keywords global.async as per GCD concept for executions multi-threading process. Here file points to some default methods for executions of bunch of data loading. Heavy flow based means large data handlings conditions executions based just for query, fetch, calculates, uploading state of methods, and also callings point of views using some threading GCD methods inside function just like a global.async. Executions heavy tasks as per multi-threading's point of views. So figure 1.2 see that old flow versions of Swift 4.5s and 5.0, 5.5s during executions of tasks as per server or calculations conditions point of views. Pointing to execution task flow as per nested working conditions based means multiple network execution state depends to each others and also data payloading passings to others callings params conditions point of views. So figure 1.3 see that general flow of task executions. Use case flow based pointings to async awaits keywords as per above version of Swift 6.0 for handling multitask tradings executions process conditions point of view. So figure 1.4 see that inside some details of info based. Here first pointings to at the rate main actors means that class file is ready for multiple executions point of views with latest keyword accordings or inside file using latest methods flow of conditions using new keywords async await as per latest version of Swift 6.0 for executions of multiple threading process conditions based. So figure 1.5 see that some conditions based methods as per large data connectivities point of views. Here just for methods doing executions of async tasks by using awaits keywords working conditions flow points of views. Just info points of views enums conditions case handlings flow points of views use case of async awaits keywords considerations of enums errors handlings based for multiple executions flow points of view. So just figure 1.7 see that all details info. Here declaring conditions of enums inside some defaults error point of views case and different methods for data notations or doing task working cases just for threading connected to executions of tasks and handlings error point of views. So figure 1.8 see that some methods or logics of data conditions. Nothing different just for executions of enums conditions by using new keywords. Async awaits callings to method just for multiple process executions. End of details of new keywords as per versions according in latest Swift 6.0 point of views cases behind.